This video is an introduction to Omega Maintenance CMMS software, also called OMC. OMC is different for the following reasons. Our maintenance engineers originally planned to purchase a CMMS, but after searching the market, we did not find one that matched all our needs. OMC was designed with all the features on our wish list to include maintenance planning, multiple frequency PM tracking and scheduling, a complete work request and work order management system, and a detailed reporting function to include cost analysis, maintenance analysis, failure analysis, and maintenance KPIs. OMC has been peer-reviewed by several maintenance professionals who provided valuable feedback. OMC is now widely available to anyone who needs a CMMS, and best of all, we also have a free version. After you start the software, you will see the main control panel, which is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 provides access to the database files to store information about your equipment or asset. For example, there are files for the location of the equipment, the employee responsible for its maintenance, the PM checklist, the list of critical spares, plus several other details about each equipment. Section 2 provides access to various maintenance functions and features. Here we can create work requests, work orders, or configure preventive maintenance to be triggered manually or automatically. There are 2 PM calendars that allow planners to preview and optimize resources for upcoming jobs. A preview of upcoming PM jobs can be displayed for any period into the future. Section 3 provides access to the reporting features of OMC. Here you can create an unlimited number of reports such as maintenance performance reports, maintenance cost reports, failure analysis reports, and maintenance KPIs. Each report can be viewed for one or more equipment based on dates, locations, or the employee. The reporting function provides critical information for optimizing your maintenance resources, reducing your maintenance costs, and increasing your equipment uptime. Section 4 is a password-protected area reserved for super users and the database administrator. This is where you can set password and permissions for each user and various other software configuration options. To learn more about each specific feature in OMC, check out our other help videos. Thanks for watching.